Today we're going to be making bean sprout cold noodle salad. Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make it, so can you, because it's Eatsy. This dish only has two main ingredients along with a sauce and some light garnishing. You'll want to start with a bag of bean sprouts, and we use Korean-style sweet potato vermicelli. First step, boil some water in a large pot. Add in your bean sprouts. When you put the bean sprouts in the water, it'll cool it down so that it stops boiling. Let the water reboil, and then boil the bean sprouts for about 3 minutes. When the bean sprouts are done, strain them out of the water, and you can use the same water to cook your vermicelli. You can use the scientific measurement of grabbing about a handful of it. When the vermicelli is done, strain all the hot water out of it and fill the pot with cold water. This will stop the vermicelli from sticking together. There's two different ways you can make the sauce for this dish, a spicy way and a regular way. This image shows all the ingredients for the spicy way, but because we don't want anybody eating a cold noodle salad to end up like this,
that's a spicy meatball!
We're going to omit the red pepper flakes and about half the Sichuan peppercorns. Fun fact, did you know that that scene from The Mask was inspired by an Alka-Seltzer commercial that aired in 1969? The comedy in it definitely stood the test of time, so you should totally go look it up. We'll start by dicing up 3 to 5 cloves of garlic and some green onion as well. Put it in an oven-safe or a metal bowl. If you use glass, make sure that it's oven-safe because we're going to be pouring hot oil into it. In a pan, put about 3/4 of a cup of oil. Over medium to high heat, add in a couple pinches of the Sichuan peppercorns, because we're not making it very spicy. Then add in 2 teaspoons of white sesame and let it cook until the sesame seeds are golden brown. Then pour the hot oil sesame mixture into the garlic and green onions. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Now back to the noodles and beans. The first step is to grab a pair of scissors and cut them down to a reasonable length. These things aren't spaghetti noodles, they're like 2 feet long, and no civilized person is going to eat a 2-foot long noodle with chopsticks. Then we're going to toss in about 1/4 of a red bell pepper that's been sliced thinly, and a little handful of cilantro if none of your guests think that cilantro tastes like soap. Then we add in our garlic sauce from earlier and stir it all up. Here Auntie was adding in some dark soy sauce just for some more color, and she wasn't sure how much to add in, but she has determined that about 1 teaspoon is enough. And there you have it, bean sprout cold noodle salad. Here we've plated it as a complete meal alongside our Chinese cabbage, tender beef stir fry, and bowls of rice. Let us know if you've tried this recipe and how it went for you down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give a like if you want to.